Yan, Lola, mag-blow ka ng candle. Okay, kakantahan ka namin ng happy birthday. Okay, ayun, napakaganda naman ng cake. Birthday cake. Paharap na lang natin sa kalikulang. Okay, ayan. Okay, so at this point in time, ito na po yung pinaka-highlight ng birthday celebration ni Lola Isay. And for this, iniimbitahan po namin ang lahat at tumayo po tayo. Let's all stand up. And of course, we're all going to sing a happy birthday for Lola Isay. And syempre pa, while we are singing, we are going to clap our hands at the same time. And we're going to dance. Ayan, groovy ang happy birthday ni Lola. Sing, clap, and dance. Then right after that, we are going to do the countdown, parang New Year. 10 to 1. Okay? So, tulungan ko lang muna si Kuya.
Hello.
Ayan, Lola. Kulang lang ng yung happy birthday. Okay. Ano po ito?
May video tayo.
Okay. Oh. Ayan, wait lang.